Hi, my name is Janica. I'm a marketing intern here at EarthWay, and I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the 3100. It is super simple, and it only has a couple steps. The first step is, of course, to take your strap and clip it in. This has been recently updated. You don't need any screws anymore. You just go ahead and click it in. The next step is to take your handle, find where the pin is, where the handle goes. Take the pin out, insert the handle, but notice how there's a hole on the handle and where the handle goes. Line those two up and insert the pin. And just like that, it was that easy. Now you're ready to go ahead and use your spreader. Thanks for watching.